Welcome back to Squarespace Staples, the series where we go through all the basics of using your Squarespace website. Okay, before we jump in, I just want to say that I will be working with Squarespace 7.1 Fluid Engine. So if you happen to be working with Squarespace 7.0, this is going to look a little different for you. And I'll go ahead and link Squarespace's legacy instructions on how to do this in version 7.0 down in the description. Okay, let's hop in. Okay, so in your Squarespace website, you're going to go to Website and Pages, and you're going to pick any page and then go into Edit. So from here, we're going to hover over the site header, say Edit Site Header, and hover over here where it says Site Title and Logo. Click on that, and then the pencil. And so here it defaults to the text that you put in when you first built your site. So that's why it just displays this text. Now we're going to add a logo. And then it'll give you some options down here for logo height and then this mobile logo max height, because you have options when it comes to displaying your logo on, say, a computer screen or a tablet versus a phone or mobile screen. Okay, so now our logo has uploaded and we can see that it's replaced that text up here. Now, something you want to keep in mind when you're designing your logo is how it will look here. So I've got some text in between that's really, really tiny. So you just want to make sure that you take that into consideration. Now, you can play around with how big this is. If, say, I want to make that text show up a little bigger, see how it says Renina's Designs in there. Just know that that's going to make the width of this, your header bar, big as well. But you can, go around and make it really big or really small, however you like that. And then you can also set your mobile logo max height. Now, we can't see what that looks like because we're here in the computer or desktop view. So we're going to save and then switch over to mobile view. Okay, so we're going to do the same thing. Hover, click the pencil, and then you can do the same thing here, right? So again, this logo height is changing on the desktop view. And then, oh, look, it's growing, it's growing. This is where we change the height and play around with that over here in the mobile view. And then once you're happy with that, I would just go ahead and click save. Make sure you like how everything looks there. And then you can go back here. So just know that you've got options to change the size independently on the desktop versus mobile view once you upload your logo. That's it. Now go update your website and let me know in the comments what other things you're interested in learning about Squarespace. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.